Today on a special edition of Styrene Modeler's Haven, I'm in the great state of Texas looking for hobby shops. I spend way too much money on model kits. I meet the real brains behind the whole operation. I took a work-related trip to Texas in November of 2022. I flew into Austin, the capital, and also drove to San Antonio, home of the Alamo. With a little bit of spare time on hand, I made sure to hunt down the local hobby shops. With the IPMS Nationals going to be held in San Marcos, Texas in 2023, this was a perfect opportunity to see which hobby shops would be nearby. My first stop was Dibble's Hobby in San Antonio, Texas. Going to Dibble's was like going back in time. When there was no internet and the only way to really enjoy your hobby was to get to know your local hobby shop. This hobby shop has been open for decades and is still run by the original family. I could have spent hours at this hobby shop. This hobby shop was packed full in every nook and cranny with everything a styrene addict could ever want. With both new and vintage kits, there was something for everyone. And it didn't stop there. If you're into model trains, you were in paradise. Dibble's Hobby Shop was the hobby shop of yore. The kind of shop that we all remember growing up with. The staff was very friendly and knowledgeable and was ready to order anything that you needed. Next on the list was Hill Country Hobby, also located in San Antonio. If Dibble's Hobby Shop represented the past and the classic hobby shop, Hill Country Hobby represented the present. This hobby shop was for styrene addicts only. A very well laid out hobby shop with an amazing paint selection. This hobby shop catered to the specific needs of plastic model builders. Not only carrying an excellent selection of kits that are sometimes even hard to get, but plenty of resin, photo etch, and every tool and accessory you'll need to get that model built. Not only did I get to meet the owner David, but I was also able to talk to a lot of the local model builders. Along with all the fantastic new kits he had in stock, he also had a great selection of clearance and consignment kits. Both Hill Country and Dibble's Hobby are only located 45 minutes to an hour drive from the 2023 Nationals in San Marcos. My last stop was Lionheart Hobby in Kyle, Texas, located approximately 20 minutes south of Austin and only 20 minutes north of the 2023 Nationals. Lionheart Hobby represents the future of hobby shops. Owners Danielle and Rudy pack a 1-2 punch, having a robust retail location and a strong online presence where you can order from them directly no matter where you live. This shop definitely catered to the scale model hobbyist with plenty of new kits representing the best brands out there, an excellent paint collection with all the latest greatest weathering and paint sets from all the top manufacturers. The owners definitely have an eye on the future, carrying some of the newest brands. Making sure to support all three of these hobby shops, I came home with a great assortment of both new and out of production kits along with some resin. Check the description of this video for contact information, websites, and addresses of all three of these great hobby shops. Be sure to like and subscribe to Styrene Haven Models. Be sure to leave a comment and let me know what you thought of this video. Thanks for watching.